Updating your full card number on Apple Pay.
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about how you can update or edit your full card number on Apple Pay. This might be necessary when you receive a new card from your bank or if you've entered the wrong information initially. Let's walk through these steps together. Please note that you need to have your iPhone at hand for this process.
Accessing Apple Wallet.
First, locate the Wallet app on your iPhone and open it. The Wallet app is where Apple Pay cards are stored.
Select the card to edit.
Inside the wallet, you will see all the cards you've added to Apple Pay. Select the card you wish to edit or update.
Removing the old card.
On the card details page, scroll down to find the Remove Card option. Tap on it to delete the card from your Apple Pay. This is necessary because Apple doesn't allow you to edit your full card number directly. Please remember that this action can't be undone, so double-check if it's the correct card you want to remove.
Adding a new card.
Now, to add a new card, click on the plus symbol, usually located at the top right corner of the Wallet app. Then, follow the prompts to add your card details. You will need to enter your full card number, expiry date, and the security code. Make sure the information you provide matches what's on your physical card.
Verification process.
Once you've entered all the required information, you'll be taken through a verification process. This may involve receiving a text, email, or app notification from your bank for verification. Follow the steps provided to complete the verification process. Once the verification process is successful, your card will be added to Apple Pay. And that's it. You have successfully updated your full card number on Apple Pay. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any other questions about using Apple Pay or any other Apple services, feel free to ask. Happy transacting!